Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing the pinch bow. This is the second review video for templates that I have purchased from Etsy. As I said in my previous video, the template package comes with cut files for your machine, but what it also comes with are printable templates that you can print out back on cardboard and make your own templates. If you're interested in learning how to make your own templates, I will not only link my video on making templates below, but also put it up in a card somewhere up here at the top. Click the I button and it should give you a card on finding that. But we are going to be doing this bow today, the pinch bow. The supplies you're going to need are obviously your pieces once you've cut them. I lay them out in order. This is a 3-part bow with a center, a center and a clip. This is again a just shy of 2-inch clip. You're going to need a lighter. You're going to need scissors. You are going to need your handy dandy glue gun, making another appearance of the brand new glue gun. What I don't like, I mentioned that in the previous video. Again, if you have any suggestions for new glue guns, please let me know. You are also going to need some upholstery thread. I have a piece already cut out. I save the pieces that are too short to be sewing with for regular bows, and they come in handy for this. So you're going to need that as well. And just like the last templates, the last bow I made with these templates, they're good templates, easy to use, and there's not too much of a fiddly bit to them. So we're going to start with the top, and you're going to fold down in the center so it looks like that. Make sure you're even, and then you're going to fold down each side so it looks like that. And then you're going to take your thread, wrap it around a couple of times. I hold the end in my one finger so that it doesn't escape while I'm wrapping. Funny thing is it happened before. And then you're going to tie off carefully, again, without letting anything unravel. I find it easier if you leave one side longer than the other. This is really hard to do on camera. Just so you know, I have a camera in between me and what I'm working on. So if I'm fumbling a little bit, it's because I have you guys in between me and the project we're currently doing. That did not work. All right, let's try this. Get it wrapped closer too. Hopefully, and unwrap one side. Remember to pull your thread tight. I just loosened that one, so hopefully with ends that are closer to each other, this will work out a little bit better. And as you're watching this, yes, I leave my mistakes in. I like to say bow making is not perfect. You will make mistakes. And I leave my mistakes in so you guys can see that mistakes are made. You're going to want to knot that off a couple times just to make sure it's secure. Remember, pull tight. This is the perk of using the upholstery thread, is you can yank pretty tightly. As you can see, I've got marks in my fingers from pulling on that thread and it didn't snap. That is why I like using upholstery thread. If you guys are interested in videos on tips, tricks, I like to burn if I have longer ties, I like to burn them just to make sure they stay. But if you're interested in tips or tricks from, from me on bow making in another video, please let me know. This is the top that we have, guys. And we're going to attach the clip to the spike. I should have done that initially. That's always my first step. You guys know that. But the reason why we attach, or at least I attach the clip to the bottom before the rest of the bow is assembled is because you can press down flat. It's just one flat piece. So you're able to press down flat and make sure that everything has adhered. Now, if you have seepage like I do, my previous video I showed you how to get rid of that easily with this little orange stick. You can pick these up at Sally's, Walmart, I think even the dollar store, like Dollar Tree, might have them. But I just run it along and it helps break up whatever has seeped neatly and evenly. This one had a lot of mess. Again, though, we leave the mistakes in, just so you guys know that this could happen too. All right. And then we're going to take the center, and glue a little bit of that. The previous video had 2 layers of these spikes. This one has just one. Actually, I kind of prefer the just one. I think the 2, it's not my favorite look, but it does look cute with the bow. So, all right, spikes are done. Now you're going to take this red piece. You're not going to put it together yet though. What you are going to do is put a little dot of glue right there in the center on the front of it. And we are gluing these 2 pieces together. You're going to hold down for just a second, make sure that everything sticks. And then we're going to come to the back and we're going to assemble the bow as we normally would. We've got that piece down, and now we're going to do this one, and this one just gets pulled and attached as it is to make it one piece. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue there. Okay, for some reason this stuff is not sticking, so I'm just going to hold it and keep going with this. Pinch down, make sure that it adheres. Unlike the top of this bow, okay, get pinched down. Now this will happen sometimes too. As you can see, it's lifted out of the center. I should have known something felt a little off when it was shifting, when I was bringing everything back, but that's fine. We'll just add a little bit more glue. This is going to get held down by the center anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. At this point, you're going to want to make sure that your top layer pinch bow has the right look to it. What I do is I come back and I just pinch the sides again Sometimes they can be a little tricky, so you just have to stick your finger in and kind of finesse everything. And as you can see, it just popped right back up. We're just going to ignore that. You're going to take the bottom piece, you know, the spikes, and attach your top to it. Just like that. Hold it down for a second. Make sure everything adheres. And then you're going to bring the center up. This will keep everything together since it doesn't want to do it on its own. Again, making sure that you pull tightly. Bring it around. Finger on the front center. And the center came unglued. All right. Again, I'm going to show you mistakes that happen. This is becoming more of a bloopers video. I don't know how that happens. It's just totally coming apart today. This is the realities of bow making. I am just leaving this in. So you can see how to fix problems that come about. This isn't so much a review as a troubleshooting video, I guess, at this point. But if this happens to you, this is how you're going to go about fixing all of these problems. I am not sure what is going on with my glitter canvas today and faux leather. It is just acting up. But, all right, clip is back on. Let's try this again. First off, we are going to add glue to glue the center back in. This is also, I'm going to show you why it's easier to do it when there's nothing there. Because now you're trying to not smush the bow on top while you're pushing down on the center. All right. Take two with putting the center on. After I come back and fix the top loop that invariably got smushed during the putting the clip and the center back on. Make sure your loops are straight. You can also do this after the center's in. It's just easier to do when it's not fully compressed. Again, put a finger on the front center. Surprisingly, this is going better than last time. Put a dotted glue in, close the clip, press down for a moment. Once you know everything is adhered and we're good, and a little bit of glue seepage there, but we can take care of that. And then I just use the lighter to heat it up so you can meld the center to the other half. And as you can see, you really can't see that much of a line. It just blends itself in, which I like the look of that. And then you can come back and do a final little tweaking on your pinch bow. Make sure it looks the way you want it to, and there you go. This blooper-filled video has finally come to an end. This is the bow that you are left with. These are the pinch bows. It's quick, simple, easy, looks really cute. And this is what you have. I will link the supplies and the template for the seller on Etsy down below. I highly recommend purchasing templates from this woman. I'm not getting anything from this. I'm just saying with the 2 that I've purchased from her. There's even a quick video to show you how to put these together, but unfortunately it goes by very quick. It's less than 60 seconds. So I wanted to give a more detailed how-to, and unfortunately this turned out to be more of a blooper video. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. This will probably be my last Christmas video. If you have any video suggestions, please leave those down in the comment section below. Any questions or comments also go down there. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, there is a subscribe button somewhere about there. Make sure to click onto that and then click the bell beside it. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you liked this video, as chaotic as it was, please click the like button down about here. And like I said, check the cards up above and the description box for any pertinent information you need. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful holiday, whichever holiday you might celebrate. And have a happy new year. I will see you on the next video. Bye.